Tell me about what high-level measures, incentives, targets should, in your opinion, change if we're going to see the sort of effects that we're looking for here.
I think that at the moment, as mentioned previously, that we all seem to be working in an ecosystem with no common goal, which implies that there is no common measures or metrics or success criteria. People sort of sign up to stuff as and when they feel it's appropriate for their business. In particular in the pharma world, clearly these are mainly commercial organizations and their main goals in the past have been around profits and profitability, etc., and revenue and market share. So I think if the first step is to recognize, and I don't have the specific metrics, but I would hypothesize that we first need to establish what are the key objectives or measures that we need to have for the ecosystem as a whole. And I put those as three things. First one would be the quality of care delivered, okay? The quality of life enabled and the cost of enabling the other two metrics. If the ecosystem works around these three metrics as a focus point, we'll, I think, see a fundamental shift in the way we're starting to engage the patients and manage patient outcomes.
HCL is one of the largest IT-focused companies in the world. How can you enable, we've talked a lot about IT enabling patient centricity, how can your company help with that?
The biggest change that's occurring in the ecosystem today is the impact of technology, cheap technology, transformative technology on the way people are behaving. The technologies themselves are not new. We've had mobile phones, we've had medical devices around forever, but a couple of things are starting to happen. Firstly, all the medical devices are starting to gather information and transmit data. You've heard of the Internet of Things. Huge source of new scientific insights and patient behaviors available. The mobile phones, they are now becoming more and more sophisticated. They're starting to cross over into be medical, acting like medical devices as well. But what they fundamentally are doing is offering what we'd call omni-channel access. Channel access from anywhere point on the globe to the ecosystem or the healthcare systems globally. So again, it's been around for a while, but it's transformative. And then all the data that's starting to throw off the back of this starts to offer new scientific evidence, new ways of actually tailoring treatments for people, new ways of supporting patients. So as a company, we believe we've got the building blocks that are needed to be successful in this arena. On the one hand, we've got a very, very mature engineering and R&D services business unit. We manufacture medical devices for pharmaceutical companies. We actually write software for them. We design products for them. On the other hand, we've obviously, for many customers, we now design mobile interactions, mobile applications that are targeted at specific patient groups. And underpinning all of this, we've got the ability to actually link all the data together, be it big data, predictive analytics, you name it, all the buzzwords are there. I think those are probably the outside point, which is also quite relevant, is the ability to do what we call patient adherence programs. We currently run a number of programs whereby we support patients on behalf of pharmaceutical companies in their adherence to drug-taking programs. We believe that combining this all together allows us to provide unprecedented capabilities to the healthcare ecosystem as a whole.